Hi, so today's do-it-yourself project is super quick and easy. It's just replacing the bulb in a pot light. So one of them's burnt out. The first time that I had to do this, it was just by trial and error because I had no idea. I'm like, do you take out the whole thing or what? I don't know. But eventually I learned that no, what you do is, all you need is a flathead screwdriver. And of course, find out what kind of bulb you need and then just get the bulb. You need rubber gloves because apparently the oils in your skin will shorten the life of the bulb, so you don't want to have to keep replacing it. So anyways, I'm just gonna stick this here. Hopefully this is all right. Just balancing this on a Kleenex box. I don't know if it's... Alright, so yeah, we'll turn that off for now. So you just get the bulb again, like, yeah, don't handle it with your bare hand because you're not supposed to. So you just, here, I'll hold the camera like this. So you look, please don't look at the grease that's like around this because it's gross. So you just kind of put the flathead screwdriver in, and there'll be a little divot, and then you just kind of pop it out. Just let me put this down. So the cover just comes off like that, and then you take the old bulb out, you can just pull it out, trash that, and put the new one in. Make sure, again, it'll always say on the lighting fixture like what watt it takes, like the maximum for this is 20 watts and these are 10, so it's fine. Why is this so hard to put in now? So just bring this closer so you can actually see. So it's got these little pins, and you just push it in, and hopefully that works. Yeah, yay! I've got light again. I'm actually pretty good at conserving, not using lights too much around the house. There's a lot of lights I've never had to replace the bulb, but the ones over the stove I use quite often. So this one I have to change more often than most. Okay, so then that just pops back in, and yay! Now it's all lit up. Okay. Thanks for watching and happy fixing. Take care. Bye.